Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a day in my life vlog. So it was an off today and I was very much relaxed, took my beauty sleep, which I really do because you know what, मुझे ना नींद ही नहीं आती है. I am a big insomniac. So I started my day with making my bed, so therapeutic to me. So, after making my bed, it's time for some safai, and I do all the safai of my house by my own. And you can skip it if you wish, but this is what I do on a day off. So I took a shower, and after my shower, I love to give my body all the hydration it needs, and I do it regularly and religiously. And now it's time for breakfast. So today we are having tea with some spring rolls. और जब भी छुट्टी होती है ना मेरा सारा खाना पीना ना शॉर्टकट में ही चलता है. And yeah, this is what I do on a day off. So finally साफ सफाई हो गई, खाना पीना भी हो गया, and it's time for some work. Here comes the best part of my day. I am shooting some content for my Instagram, and if you don't know, I make beauty related content on my Instagram as well, so you can check it out. Hi guys, so I was not feeling like having lunch, so I thought that why not just have some fruit and some strawberry milkshake, and here I go. Hi guys, so this is evening time and I felt like having something refreshing. So I just thought that why don't I have this beautiful sun Nariyal Pani, and I also thought of having something sweet. So this is a croissant, and so yeah, I am just going to chill. And I also removed my makeup, as you can see. This is my bare skin with nothing on, just a moisturizer and a lip balm. This chashma wali life. Time to make the last meal of the day, and I wanted to have something good. So I thought of making some बैगन का भरता, and it was my first time making it and I never knew cooking. So YouTube यहाँ पर बहुत हेल्प करता है. मेरी सारी कुकिंग YouTube की वजह से ही पॉसिबल हो पाती है. So YouTube has been a very big savior in my life. So finally, dinner is ready, and I made myself chapatis as well. And living alone ain't easy, but it is what it is, and you have to deal with it. And so I usually switch on some shows while cooking, so जिससे कि ना मुझे थोड़ा अकेलापन ना लगे, and it really helps. So if you are someone who is living alone and you can relate to me, you can just try out like watching some shows while cooking or doing something, and it is going to help you for sure. And yeah, so that was all for today's video, and if you made it till here, thank you so much for watching. And I know it's not perfect, but I promise you I'm going to improve myself while vlogging, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.